A good entrepreneur must have a price tag. Anong ibig sabihin ng price tag? Letter P, kailangan people-oriented, people-motivated. Dapat yun, nagkikare siya sa mga empleyado, sa customers, sa lahat ng kanyang business partners, even sa environment. Letter R, kailangan resilient. Letter I, kailangan meron kang integrity. Kung ano yung binebenta mo, ano yung sinasabi mo, dapat yun din ang ino-offer mo. Letter C is compassion. Meron kang malasakit sa mga empleyado. Hindi lang puro trabaho. Pag may nangyari sa family, inaalaw na namin. And letter E, empathy. As if nilalagay namin, kaming magkakapatid, na nandun kami sa shoes ng mga empleyado. Letter T, a good entrepreneur must take risks. Hindi naman basta-basta bahala na. Pag-aaralan mo, magte-take risk ka. And then letter A, a sense of purpose. May pagpupuntahan yung gagawin mo. And last but not the least, is you have to have a grateful heart. Grateful in all circumstances, magpupuri sa Panginoon at sa kapwa. A good entrepreneur must have a price tag.
Regarding Siomai House's growth over the years, siguro napanggita po ni Doc Edwin yung iba, pero please allow me to elaborate kung paano ba yung istorya niya. So, as mentioned po, this is an opportunity or a problem that became an opportunity. So when Siomai House started, dun po sa North Mall, sa LRT Monumento, it started with one store. So since, imagine niyo po ang LRT Monumento po before was the, yung huling-huling stasyon. It was the end of the line. So pag huminto po yung tren before doon, imagine po yung buong tren, lahat po ng bago ng tren, lahat po ng pasahero yan, bababa po. Pagbaba nila, hagdanan po. Pagbaba ng hagdanan, nandoon po si Siomai House.
By the way, I'm Gilbert Inmenzo and I'm the franchise manager of Siomai House. So, kailan nga po ba kami o paano po ba naging franchise yung Siomai House? So, barely a year in operations, we share the business via franchising for aspiring entrepreneurs. So saan po ba at sino po ba yung unang naging franchise namin? Or saan po ba yung unang naging franchise location namin? Tulad ng sabi nung kasama ko ni Sir Jonathan kanina, that time nung nag-uumpisa lang kami, merong isang tao who is about to retire from bank. She is a bank manager of Security Bank. And during that time, nag-LRT lang siya. At bibili sana siya ng isang soft ice cream machine sa Monumento. So, she took LRT, pagbaba niya sa Monumento, nakita niya yung empanada at siomai. Pagbaba ng mga tao, nagkakagulo na. Tapos doon after a few minutes, mawawala, dadating na naman yung next batch. Then hindi na siya makasingit. Then after a few minutes, eto na naman.
Hi, good morning. I'm Jay Digia, the Human Resources Head of Siomai House. I would like to inform lang everybody that the workforce of Siomai House right now is 620 plus ang aming workforce. From production to admin to sales crew, lahat po, 620. And not only that, our franchisees more or less have 2,500 plus or more of franchise sales crew. Siomai House is fully compliant with all the regulations of the Department of Labor and Employment. Pagdating po sa SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig, we are fully compliant. And hindi lang po yan, lahat po ng empleyado ng Siomai House, starting from day one, they are covered by an HMO and a term life insurance?
So I'm Ana Melissa Bernabe po, one of the pamangkin of Doc Edwin. So ever since po, Doc Edwin, he has often reminded us that in the business world, there are different kinds of Cs or type of market. So according to him po, the siomai industry is now part of the Red Sea. It's highly saturated with many siomai brands either closing down or struggling to survive. So that's why he encouraged us po to expand and innovate our original Siomai House brand. From there po, we introduced couple more brands under Siomai House. So one is the Siomai House Unlimited or Shoe. So sa Shoe, we offer, nandito na yung mga Mami, Lomi, and then sa Siomai House Express naman yung mga rice bowl. So essentially po, we've been evolving the Siomai House brand to give it a new life and stand out in the crowded market. So, and also now, we are launching a new brand called Casa Calle. So this concept expands beyond siomai and focuses on silogs, ihaw-ihaw, mami, and other Filipino comfort food. So we can proudly say po that right now we are approved or accredited with different malls like Walter Marts and SM malls.
Ng digital finance ay hindi lang tungkol sa convenience. Ito ay tungkol sa paggamit ng technology para magpalago or mapatibay ang negosyo. Yung negosyanteng may alam sa financial literacy ay mas mabilis mag-scale, mabilis mag-grow ng business, magiging mas competitive, and mas may chance na magtagumpay long term. Ang pag-iipon ang pundasyon ng financial stability para sa kahit sinong negosyante. So yes, ang nagpapatakbo ng negosyo ay cash, ay yung kita, but also it's the cash reserves that can make sure that your business will survive in the long term. Kahit let's say magka-problema ang business nyo, magka-issue, as long as meron kang emergency funds or cash reserves, you'll still be able to sustain yourself. If you would like to explore GCash solutions specifically for MSMEs and small business owners, then you can scan this QR code also. So here you will find yung mga specific products that were made to support MSMEs.